Music. Welcome to my EasyCrypto card review. Find links below. I'll cover the card's features, who it's for, and my personal experience to help you decide if it's right for your crypto spending. The EasyCrypto card is perfect for crypto enthusiasts wanting a simple way to spend their digital assets hassle-free. It streamlines crypto to fiat conversion, letting you use your crypto balance for everyday purchases anywhere major cards are accepted. Simplicity is key. Transactions are seamless, and topping up from your EasyCrypto wallet is quick and intuitive. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, giving you flexibility in choosing what to spend. A huge advantage is its low, transparent fee structure. No monthly fees and competitive exchange rates make it cost-effective. Plus, the EasyCrypto platform integrates crypto trading, so you can manage investments and spending in one place. This card is ideal for crypto holders prioritizing convenience. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, it's a reliable choice without hidden complexities. The app is easy to navigate, letting you track spending, manage crypto, and top up on the go. In my experience, the EasyCrypto card delivers. It's a reliable, user-friendly solution for spending crypto without barriers. Transactions are fast, the app is smooth, and switching between cryptocurrencies is seamless. If you want a fuss-free crypto card integrated with your trading and spending, consider the EasyCrypto card. Check the description for more details and links.